In the fall, do you get ready for winter? If you're up around here where you get lots of snow, people are always planning on getting on their snow tires. I wonder how many people actually prepare to get ready for winter with their house, to do with their furnace. I see it all the time. And every day I'm being called out to see what we can do to help someone out because their furnace quit. And almost every case that I see, at least lately, when the temperature's been really cold, it's because the furnaces were not being looked at, they weren't really being maintained, and people figured they were going to last forever. Nothing lasts forever. Had they at least had them inspected by, a decent local company, and the guy was straight up with them and told them, look, you've got this many years left, or these parts are starting to really wear, you need to budget and plan for it for the future. At least then when it fails, you'd already have a really good idea what your options are and what you could do. So I just see it so often that people seem to think it come as such a big surprise. It's not a surprise to me, but maybe that's because I'm in the industry. But I don't want it to be a surprise to you. I would love it if you were actually planning ahead, if you're going to stay in the house, that is, planning ahead, having somebody come and look at it and give you the honest answer about what condition your stuff's in. If you need to replace it at that time, okay. But if you can delay it for a while because it is still pretty solid and won't let you down, that's good too. You have no idea the peace of mind that you get when you know, if it fails, what your plan is. You know what? Think about that. Maybe it makes sense to you. Stay warm, stay comfortable, stay tuned.